Welcome, today in front of me Realme 9 and I'll show you how to switch on or switch off screen touches in screen recording on that device. So first we should launch the settings application and after that scroll down to the system settings. Then you'll see here the screen recording, tap once here and scroll down. After that you'll see here the show screen touches. To activate them you should click here once on the switcher, and if you want to turn them off you should click on the switcher again, and that's it. Also we have the second way how we can activate the screen recording settings. First we should open the notification panel, and somewhere here on the top bar you should find the screen recording icon. Just hold for a while this icon, and now we can launch here screen recording settings, and just to turn on or turn off screen touches we should click here on the switcher. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.